Hello viewers, it's been a while. When the last time I did a video, I was at the NEC doing Gravity. Well, and to be honest, the last few videos I've been doing the last year has been a particular challenge for me. As, if I'm quite honest, I have a slight issue when it comes to public speaking. It's a bit of a hurdle for me really, so these last few videos I've been doing the last year has been a bit of a learning experience for me, although I've quite enjoyed doing so. This year, I want to do something a little different, and that is, well, exploring a question that I've always been asked, and I'm sure several other enthusiasts have been asked the same question. That is, well, the question, why? What is it about cars in general, or what's got four wheels and quite frankly is the convenience to get to A to B? What is it about that? Why do we enjoy what we enjoy? Well, there's no straight answer, because to be honest, enthusiasts are from, well, a crazy amount of background, from motorsport to classics to kit cars to supercars. Well, the list is pretty endless really, but what I want to do this year is explore that question, and well, there's one way to do that really, and that is, well,
returning here. I am back at Birmingham NEC. Now, the last time I was here, I did the Gravity show, which was absolutely spectacular with cars from a variety of different backgrounds. Now, today is doing the International Motorsport show, which is one of Europe's biggest shows. Now, there's a lot to go and see here, from engineering, from motorsport, from almost anything to go and see here. So there's a lot to go and see. Let's walk around and let's see what's up for offer.
Overwhelmed and blown away. The cars on display were staggering. The unique examples like this 1951 Jaguar XK120 and a 1984 Jaguar XJS, two extraordinary cars sat together. It was clear to see that this show was truly a sight to behold. Motors from almost all generations across multiple halls. It was difficult to know where to start. I had to spend the morning just to see what the show had to offer. It was hard to ignore the love, the passion, and the pride that enthusiasts have for their machines. And it doesn't really matter what you're into. The countless hours of sweat, the tears, and the hard work that goes into these motors. I mean, not to mention the pushing boundaries of the art and handling the performance, and ultimately building their dreams. Exhausted by the morning, it was starting near lunchtime, and I felt it was time to take a break and enjoy a show.
In my soul.
a show. That blew me away. Now, let's take one final walk around. Let's see what else is out there. Wow. What a day. What an absolute day. I'll be brutally honest, it was so hectic in there, I didn't even get a chance to, well, film myself, like, talking, basically. My anxieties in public speaking got the better of me. I'm not gonna lie. Well, we'll get there. But it is incredible. I'm absolutely lost words. It was a lot bigger than what I thought it was going to be. I think next year when we do it, I might have to cover it over a couple of days, because I spent most of it just running around, just trying to grab as much content as possible, what was there. Imagine catch up with my idol, a couple other people there as well, and got some hints and tips off them to better myself in talking in front of camera, in front of lots of people, because that's my biggest thing really. But overall, International Autosport Show is just something else. You know, it reverts back to my question: why do people enjoy what they enjoy? Even though to the average person, it's just four wheels and an engine and getting to A to B. But what was there? You've got classic cars like from a Morgan to cars from the 60s and the 50s, the 40s. You've got even the motorsport side of things. You know, you've got from the past to the future, really. It was pretty much all there, and it was one of those events that if you really, truly want to see why we're passionate about what we're passionate about, that, you know, being in motoring, being a motor enthusiast, you had to go to that event. You know, I've been to many events in 10 years. Obviously, because of my favourite ones like Nationals and USC, etc. But this was on a whole new level, and it was, even if you've never done anything before, to see what it's all about, why we enjoy it, it is that event. You need to go there to actually see it and really appreciate motoring in all its glory and all its why we enjoy what we enjoy. As I said before, there's no straight answer, and hopefully over the next couple of videos, across some of the events I'm going to attend, to some future content that I will be producing, I will be going more into that ultimate question: why is it?
I hope you guys have enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed creating it, and I really hope to see you guys in future content. Please leave a comment below. Just let me know if there's any other events you want me to go and see. Anyone would like to, or who you might know might want to have a chat about the project, even if it's not finished or unfinished. It could be in the garage in bits. It doesn't really matter. This is something I really want to get into, so I can really open up the world of the motoring enthusiasts, to really show those who's not quite sure why we enjoy it, to really show them. It's not really a way of putting it, but to actually show them why we enjoy it. Hit that subscribe button, and for the followers who follow at the moment, thank you again, and newcomers, thank you for following me on this journey. Don't forget to hit that like button, and I really hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, see you soon.